In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check page views of a single page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look in Google Analytics to see the raw view count for any page on your site quickly and confidently. First, open your Google Analytics account and make sure you're in the correct property and data stream for the website you want to review. It also helps to glance at the date range in the top right to ensure you're looking at the time frame you care about: today, last 7 days, this month, or a custom range, so the numbers match your reporting needs. Next, click Reports in the left-hand navigation. This takes you into the core reporting area where all the standard overviews and detailed reports live, rather than the real-time or admin sections. From here, go to the User Engagement view. Depending on your layout, this appears as the Engagement section or a User Engagement overview inside Reports. The goal is to get into the engagement area where Google Analytics groups all the behavior-focused reports for your site. Now, click Pages and Screens. This is the report that lists each page or screen on your site or app, along with key engagement metrics. It's the best place to isolate a single page and understand how often it's been viewed. On this report, focus on the Views column. Views represent raw page views in Google Analytics 4. Meaning every time the page loaded, it was counted, even if the same person viewed it multiple times. This is different from metrics like users, which count people, or views per user, which show frequency. If all you need is the total number of times a page was loaded in the selected date range, views is the metric to use. To find a specific page, scan the table for its title or path. If your pages have similar titles, it can be helpful to toggle the primary dimension between page title and page path, so you can match the exact URL like a blog post slug or a product page path. You can also sort the views column to bring the most or least viewed pages to the top, which makes scanning faster. If the list is long, use the built-in search box to narrow down by a keyword in the title or a portion of the path. That's it. Open your account, go to Reports, enter the user engagement area, open Pages and Screens, then zero in on Views while scanning the table for the page's title or path. Now you can confidently report the raw page view total for any single page.